Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify uh, couldn't turn on your music. To know how to fix or how to solve couldn't turn on or play autoplay your music. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.